Hey cleaning enthusiasts, have you ever found yourself spending hours scrubbing stubborn stains only to end up with sore arms and mediocre results? Are you looking for a game-changing solution that will revolutionize your cleaning routine? Today, I'm thrilled to share my in-depth review of the top 7 electric spin scrubbers that have transformed my cleaning game. After weeks of rigorous testing, I've discovered which ones truly deliver on their promises and which might leave you wanting more. Number 7. Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber. The Homitt Electric Spin Scrubber has proven itself to be a reliable workhorse in my cleaning arsenal. During my extensive testing period, I put this device through its paces in various challenging cleaning scenarios. The dual-speed functionality offers impressive versatility. The lower speed is perfect for delicate surfaces like glass shower doors, while the higher speed tackles years of built-up grime with ease. What truly sets this model apart is its thoughtful design elements. The extendable handle reaches from 27 to 43 inches, making it incredibly versatile for both floor cleaning and high-ceiling corners. I found myself particularly appreciating this feature when cleaning second-story windows without needing a ladder. The stainless steel and ABS construction feels premium and durable, giving me confidence that this tool will withstand years of regular use. The 4 included brush heads are each designed with specific cleaning tasks in mind. The large flat brush excels at covering extensive surface areas like bathroom walls and floor tiles. The round brush head proved invaluable for bathtubs and sinks, while the corner brush masterfully tackled those typically hard-to-reach areas around faucets and toilet bases. The small flat brush became my go-to for detailed work around fixtures and grout lines. Battery performance is another area where the Homitt shows its strength. The 1.5-hour runtime was more than sufficient for thorough cleaning of 2 bathrooms and a kitchen in my testing. The LED battery indicator proved to be more than just a gimmick. It helped me plan my cleaning sessions effectively, ensuring I never ran out of power mid-task. However, it's worth noting some minor drawbacks I encountered. The 3.5-hour charging time feels somewhat lengthy compared to newer models on the market. Additionally, while the firm bristles are excellent for tough stains, you'll need to exercise caution on more delicate surfaces like painted walls or car exteriors. Number 6. Iezfix Electric Spin Scrubber. After spending considerable time with the Iezfix Electric Spin Scrubber, I can confidently say it's a solid performer that brings some unique advantages to the table. The ergonomic design immediately caught my attention. The handle features a comfortable grip that remains secure even during wet conditions, and the weight distribution is exceptionally well balanced. The 90-minute runtime proved more than adequate for most cleaning sessions. What impressed me most was the consistency of power output throughout the battery life. There was no noticeable drop in performance even as the battery level decreased. The adjustable handle's 45-inch reach made it possible to clean my cathedral ceiling bathroom without any struggle. One of the standout features is its whisper-quiet operation. While most spin scrubbers produce noticeable noise, the Iezfix manages to maintain a surprisingly low noise level without sacrificing power. This made it perfect for early morning or late-night cleaning sessions without disturbing my family. The LED display showing battery percentage is clear and easy to read, even in low-light conditions. The brush head design deserves special mention. The dome-shaped head proved particularly effective on curved surfaces, conforming naturally to the contours of sinks, bathtubs, and toilet bowls. The bristle density strikes an excellent balance between being firm enough for tough stains while gentle enough to prevent scratching on most surfaces. During my testing, I discovered that the brush attachments require significant force to change, which can be both a blessing and a curse. While it ensures the heads stay firmly in place during use, it can be challenging for users with limited hand strength. The learning curve for optimal pressure application is also steeper than some competitors, but once mastered, the cleaning results are exceptional. Number 5. Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber. The Rubbermaid Reveal Power Scrubber takes a different approach to power cleaning, and after extensive testing, I've found it to be an indispensable tool for detailed work. Unlike its larger counterparts, This compact powerhouse specializes in precision cleaning that larger units simply can't match. The oscillating head's 60 movements per second create an incredibly effective scrubbing action that cuts through grime with remarkable efficiency. During my testing in various household scenarios, I discovered this scrubber excels in areas where larger units struggle. The precision tip proved invaluable for cleaning grout lines, where it removed years of built-up dirt that I thought was permanent. The oscillating motion, rather than spinning, provides better control and prevents splashing, making it ideal for detailed work around fixtures and faucets. The ergonomic grip design truly shines during extended use. Even when working with wet, soapy hands, the rubber grip remains secure and comfortable. The compact size allows for excellent maneuverability in tight spaces, such as around toilet hinges and shower door tracks. I was particularly impressed by how it handled the tight corners of my shower caddy, reaching spots that had been neglected for years. Battery performance exceeded my expectations, consistently delivering 2 hours of continuous use on a single charge. The power output remains consistent until the very end of the battery life, unlike some competitors that gradually lose strength. The charging system is straightforward, and the indicator light clearly shows charging status. While the small size limits its effectiveness for large surface areas, I found this limitation was offset by its exceptional performance in detailed cleaning tasks. The included brush heads show remarkable durability. After weeks of testing, they maintained their rigidity and cleaning effectiveness. This tool has become my go-to for spot cleaning and detailed work, complementing larger scrubbers perfectly. Number 4. LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber LA2 Pro. The LABIGO LA2 Pro represents a significant leap forward in electric scrubber technology. After putting it through its paces for several weeks, I'm thoroughly impressed by its combination of power, versatility, and thoughtful design features. The 4,000 mAh battery is a standout feature, consistently delivering the promised 2-hour runtime even under heavy use. The 4-speed settings are a game changer, offering unprecedented control over cleaning intensity. During testing, I found the lowest setting perfect for delicate surfaces like glass and painted walls, while the highest setting made quick work of stubborn bathroom grime. The digital display clearly shows both speed settings and remaining battery life, eliminating any guesswork during cleaning sessions. The quick charge feature proved incredibly convenient in real-world use. Achieving 80% charge in just 2 hours meant I could tackle unexpected cleaning tasks with minimal waiting time. The brush head design shows careful consideration of real-world cleaning challenges. The bristles maintain their shape even after aggressive use, and the quick release mechanism makes switching between attachments effortless. One of the most impressive aspects is the build quality. The telescopic handle extends smoothly and locks securely at any length. The joint mechanism allows for precise angle adjustments, making it easy to maintain optimal cleaning contact on any surface. During extended cleaning sessions, I appreciated the excellent weight distribution that minimized arm fatigue. While testing revealed slight vibration at maximum extension, this was only noticeable on the highest speed setting and didn't significantly impact cleaning performance. The water resistance proved reliable during thorough testing in shower environments, with no signs of water ingress affecting functionality. Number 3. Casabella Power Spin Scrubber. The Casabella Power Spin Scrubber has earned its place among the top contenders through exceptional build quality and innovative features. After extensive testing across various cleaning scenarios, I found its performance consistently impressive. The IPX7 waterproof rating isn't just a marketing claim. I've used it in completely wet conditions without any issues, making it perfect for shower and bathtub cleaning. The telescopic handle deserves special mention for its smooth operation and sturdy locking mechanism. Unlike some competitors that feel wobbly at full extension, the Casabella maintains stability even when fully extended. The ergonomic grip design features subtle contours that make a noticeable difference during lengthy cleaning sessions, reducing hand fatigue significantly. During my testing, the dual-speed motor proved more than capable of handling various cleaning tasks. The lower speed setting is perfect for routine cleaning and delicate surfaces, while the higher speed effectively tackles stubborn stains and mineral deposits. The quick change brush system is genuinely user-friendly. I could swap attachments with one hand, even with wet gloves on. Battery performance was consistently reliable, delivering the promised 90-minute runtime. The charging system is well designed, with clear indicators and a stable base that keeps the unit upright while charging. I particularly appreciated how the battery maintained consistent power output until nearly depleted, unlike some units that gradually lose strength. One unique aspect I discovered during testing was the softer bristle design. While this means you might need extra passes for extremely stubborn stains, it makes the unit incredibly safe for all surfaces. I successfully used it on delicate tile finishes and even car paint without any concerns about scratching. Number 2. LABIGO Electric Spin Scrubber LA1 Pro. The LABIGO LA1 Pro demonstrates why the brand has become a leader in the electric scrubber market. The exceptional 3.5-hour runtime sets a new standard for battery life in this category. During my comprehensive testing, this extended runtime proved invaluable for tackling multiple cleaning tasks without interruption. The 3-speed control system offers precise power adjustment for different cleaning scenarios. I found the lowest setting perfect for maintaining delicate surfaces like glass shower doors, while the highest setting easily handled years of accumulated soap scum and hard water stains. The build quality is immediately apparent, from the premium materials to the solid feel of every component. The joint design is particularly impressive, offering 180-degree articulation that made cleaning awkward spaces much easier. During testing, I could easily clean under toilet rims, behind radiators, and around bathroom fixtures without awkward contortions. The brush heads show excellent attention to detail in their design. The corner brush, in particular, reached spaces that other units simply couldn't access. While the unit is slightly heavier than some competitors, this additional weight actually improves cleaning effectiveness. The extra mass helps maintain consistent pressure against surfaces, reducing the effort needed from the user. The handle's ergonomic design distributes this weight effectively, preventing fatigue during extended cleaning sessions. The charging system is well thought out, with a stable base that keeps the unit and attachments organized between uses. The battery indicator is clear and accurate, helping you plan cleaning sessions effectively. After weeks of testing, the brush heads showed minimal wear, suggesting excellent longevity. 1. Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber. The Leebein Electric Spin Scrubber stands at the pinnacle of cleaning technology, earning its top position through superior performance in every category. The 4,500 mAh battery is a powerhouse, consistently delivering over 3 hours of runtime in my rigorous testing. This extended battery life, combined with fast charging capability, means you're never left waiting long between cleaning sessions. The 6 interchangeable heads represent the most comprehensive cleaning solution I've tested. Each attachment is thoughtfully designed for specific tasks, from the broad surface head for walls and floors to the precision brush for grout lines and corners. The microfiber pad attachment is a brilliant addition, perfect for final polishing and gentle cleaning of delicate surfaces. The digital display is more than just a fancy addition. It provides crucial information about speed settings and battery life in a clear, easily readable format. The ergonomic handle design proved its worth during marathon cleaning sessions, with comfortable grip points and excellent weight distribution. The variable speed control offers precise adjustment, allowing you to dial in exactly the right amount of power for any cleaning task. During extensive testing, the waterproof construction proved completely reliable, even when subjected to direct water exposure. The standing base is a standout feature, providing convenient storage for all attachments while keeping them organized and easily accessible. The quick change mechanism for brush heads is smooth and secure, with no wobble or loosening during use. The cleaning performance is simply unmatched. Whether tackling everyday dirt or stubborn stains, the Leebein consistently delivered superior results with less effort. The motor maintains consistent power output across all speed settings, and the brush heads show excellent durability, even after repeated use on tough stains. This is truly the ultimate electric spin scrubber, justifying its premium position through exceptional performance and thoughtful design.